In this video, I'm going to describe how to run the analysis on your data and view the reports, the onboard reports of Force Metrix. So just a quick review. I just want to make sure I've entered some data in these test files. I'm going to go to my plots page. Actually, a more efficient way to do this would be to go to your stand page and look at your plot list by tract, which will show all the plots and all the stands. And I'm scrolling down here. Okay, I did finish plot 18. So I can, since plot 18 is in stand 1, I can go and analyze stand 1. So I'm going to go back. Now I can just hop right to the analysis page from here. And you'll see this yellow button that says Analyze. Again, you'll analyze by stand. So I'm on stand 1. I have 2 stands in this file, but I'm only going to analyze 1. And you can see I have 42 plots in this one, and 1 is complete. On the iPhone, I have 45 plots with 1 complete. So I'm going to push Analyze on both devices, and it's going to tell me, hey, there's a whole bunch of plots that aren't done. What would you like to do? And you're going to say, yes, run the analysis on the completed plots only. If you do not, if you say complete, it is going to mark all of those plots complete, and anything that you have not tallied will be counted as a 0 tally plot. So I'm going to say yes. If you have a large number of trees, it will give you a warning saying, hey, this is going to take a minute and a half. Are you sure you want to do this now? And it gives you an out. But for the most part, analysis takes a minute or so, depending on how many trees and also how many stands you have. And you can see I'm using an older iPhone on the right, and it's taking longer than the newer iPad on the left. So after you've run the analysis, you will see on the iPad, you'll see some icons show up where you can look at some simple results. I'll go to the summary. On the iPhone, you have to hit this quick view button, and then you can hit the summary. On the iPhone, you have to scroll around quite a bit. I'll just show you on the iPad. This just shows some basic, it'll show your statistics at the top. Right now, it's saying you don't even have a sampling error because you only have 1 plot here. Otherwise, you would start to see your percent sampling error show up, and your species composition ordered by basal area with trees per acre, mean diameter, average height, and then any volumes in board feet, tons, or cords, depending on the volume rules that you use to evaluate. And you can also show totals as well as per acre numbers. And there are a couple other screens that you might want to take a look at, but for the most part, you should just be looking at the onboard reports, which are much more comprehensive. So for that, we go back home, and up in the upper right, we hit reports.